Now I will introduce the screen options and to let you know how the machine operates. So there are three languages you can choose. First is French, and second is English, and the third one is Spanish. So let's take the English version for example. There are two modes, the manual mode and fully automatic mode. So we will introduce different modes step by step. So first, take the manual mode. And there are two login methods, guest user and member users. If you already bought the membership, you can choose these options to log in with your mobile phone account. And we can take, for example, guest user. It is for new customers who haven't purchased a paid membership. So there are different shampoo and conditioner. Customers can choose what they like, and there are three dog sizes: small dog, medium dog, large dog. So also they can choose whether to buy the brushes, and this is the price and pay and start. There are two payment methods, PayPal method and POS payment. Let's take POS payment for testing. Confirm payment. Confirm. Payment successful. And this is the operation guide. The door one has been automatically opened, and the dog can go inside. And once your dog is inside, and you can choose the open door 2, and the door 2 will be opened automatically, so please be careful. After door 2 rises, you can tap the confirm and start grooming. Confirm, started. So you can use the shower to wash your dog. There are different modes. You can switch different modes as you like. And this is hair dryer. When it is the dry mode, you can use the hair dryer to dry your dog. So there are many fans inside the machine, and the power has been upgraded, so the drying effect is very good. Also, the washing compartment is very big. It is very spacious, so this machine can fit in all sizes of dogs, including small size, medium size, and large size. And this is lighting. And this wire can be retracted. 可以收缩. Yeah, it is very flexible. 看呀。
那可以调长短。
Yeah, the length can be adjusted. It's very long. 行了行了行了。洗呀洗呀。Yeah, the operation faces you can see on the screen, and the different faces it is automatic. The machine will change the faces automatically, so the customer don't need to choose the faces on the screen. It is automatic changing. This step is conditioner spray.
喷啊，洗呀，不是让你，不是烘干，你在干什么？
不是为啥非得现在还要这么冲着水呀？他知道冲水不得了吗？
也是啊。
不是他知道现在冲水了不得了吗？为啥会非要一直冲着呢？
This is shower rinsing step. The time, you can change the time in the background website. It is just for testing, so we set a very short time. So the time is very flexible for you to change. For the machine owner, you can change the time. After around 10 seconds, the washing step will be finished and it will be drying step next. You don't need to choose on the screen. It is automatic. Yeah, this is manual drying, so you can use the dryer inside the machine to dry your dog. You can feel the power. Its power is very big. After 10 seconds, the manual drying will be finished, and yeah, this is the notice. The grooming process has been completed. You can choose the unlock to retrieve your dog if you want to finish the order, or you can choose the extra drying. You can choose unlock to retrieve your dog. 选了额外烘干还是解锁去过？
额外烘干了，这是会员吗？
不是，
这是去过了。
Door 1 has been opened automatically, so the dog can come out. Yeah, this is the notice. And now you can also choose extra drying, because when the dog come out, you can check the dog's fur whether it is dried. So if you want to complete the order, you can choose the complete order, and the door 2 will be decreased and closed automatically, or you can choose extra drying. We can take complete order. The door is lowering and closing, so please be careful. And now the auto disinfection process will start. This step is also water disinfection. There are 2 disinfection steps, also water disinfection and UV disinfection, to confer the cleaning. And this is the emergency stop. If you want to pause the operation, you can choose the emergency stop. The grooming has been paused. If you want to continue, you can choose the continue. And power off, it is the cut off the electricity. When you choose continue, the operation will be continued. This is the second disinfection step. disinfection completed, and this screen will go back to the home page after the countdown ends. Yeah, the process has been completed.